প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। অনার্স ফার্স্ট ইয়ারের শিক্ষার্থীদের আজকের ক্লাসে স্বাগত জানাচ্ছি। আজ আমি তোমাদের নতুন চ্যাপ্টার শুরু করব, সেটা হচ্ছে ডিটারমিনেশন অফ এরিয়া। ডিটারমিনেশন অফ এরিয়া by using definite integral। এটা হচ্ছে নতুন চ্যাপ্টার, কিভাবে কার্টেসিয়ান ইকুয়েশন ডেফিনিট ইন্টিগ্রাল ইউজ করে যে কোনো একটা ফাংশনের এরিয়া নির্ণয় করা যায় নির্দিষ্ট একটা লিমিটের মাধ্যমে। তো প্রথমে আমরা দেখব এরিয়া অফ কার্টেসিয়ান ইকুয়েশন। তাহলে একটা কার্টেসিয়ান ইকুয়েশন যদি এরকম থাকে, y is a function of x and limit is x is equal to a, x is equal to b, and if we draw the function, if we get such a graph, the limit is x is equal to a and x is equal to b, the function is y is equal to f of x. In this regard, the area of the function becomes a is equal to integral over a to b y dx. তাহলে এটা হচ্ছে আমাদের প্রথম ফর্মুলা। এই ধরনের ফাংশন থাকলে কিভাবে আমরা এরিয়া বের করব? a is equal to হবে y to b y dx। নেক্সট আমরা দেখি ফাংশনটা যদি x is a function of y হয় and the limit is y is equal to c, y is equal to d. In this case, the graph of this function equal to here y is equal to c and y is equal to d. This is a function of x is equal to function of y. In that case, the area becomes area is equal to integral over c to d x dy. So this is number 2. তাহলে এই ক্ষেত্রে কি হচ্ছে, ফাংশনটা চেঞ্জ হয়ে যাচ্ছে সাবজেক্ট টু y, x is a function of y, লিমিটও হবে y is equal to, তাহলে এখানে লিমিট আমরা কনসিডার করব y is equal to c, y is equal to, আর x is a function of y, which graph is shown here. Number 3, if the function is two function, y1 is equal to f of x and y2 is equal to function of x, and the limit is x is equal to a, x is equal to b. In that case, the figure is this. This is y1 is equal to f of x, this is y2 is equal to f of x, and the limit x is equal to a, x is equal to b. So the required area is this. So you can find the area by using this formula. A is equal to integral over a A to B y1 minus y2 dx. Here, by using this limit, the function y1 covers the whole area, including white area, and the function y2 is equal to f of x cover the area only white area. If we minus from y1 to y2, then we get the required area of this shaded region. So we can use this formula: a is equal to a to b y1 minus y2 dx. This is number 3. And number 4, x1 is a function of y, x2 is a function of zy, and the limit is y is equal to c and y is equal to d. In this case, the graph is, this is x1 is equal to function of y, sorry, the graph is this is x1 is equal to function of y, and this is x2 is equal to another function g of y. The limit is y is equal to c and y is equal to d. We have to find the area of the shaded region. In that case, the formula becomes a is equal to integral over c to d x1 minus x2 d of y. Similarly, here the graph x1 covers the whole area including white area, and the graph x2 is equal to g of y covers the area only white area. If we integrate from x1 minus xy integration of dy, then we get the find the required shaded region. So we can use this formula easily. Now, using this 4 formula, we discussed some related problems. Problem number 1. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve bounded by the curve a square y square is equal to x2 twice a minus x. Solution. The given equation is x square y square equal to x2 twice a minus x. can rewrite this equation y is equal to x to the power 3 by 2 root over twice a minus x divided by a. When y is equal to 0, we get x is equal to twice a. So the limit is x is equal to 0 to x is equal to twice a. Now, if we draw this curve or this function, if we draw this curve, y square is equal to we get the flowing curve, which is like this. Here x is equal to 2a and x equal to 0. We have to find the required area of this curve. We can see that the curve is symmetric along the x-axis. So, if we find the area of the above the x-axis from the limit 0 to 2sa, we get the whole area if we multiply by this 2. So the required area, the area is 2 into 0 to twice a y x. Now we have to put in the values of y 0 to 2a x to the power 3 by 2 root over twice a minus x by a dx. So this is equal to 2 by a 0 to 2a x to the power 3 by 2 root over twice a minus x dx. Now we have to integrate this. We can use the method of substitution. Now we put x equal to twice a sin square theta. So we get dx is equal to 4a sin theta cos theta d theta. And the limit changes to when x is equal to 0, theta also, and x is equal to pi by 2, theta goes to, x is equal to twice a, theta goes to pi by 2. Now putting all these value in the above equation, we get 2 by a 0 to pi by 2 2a to the power 3 by 2 and sin cube theta and 2a common nile 2a to the power half into cos theta into dx is equal to 4a sin theta cos theta d theta. Now which implies that 2 by a, 2a to the power 3 by 2, that means 2a to the power 3 plus 3 by 2 plus half, that means 4 by 2, that means 2 square, which is equal to 4a square into 4a 0 to pi by 2 sin to the power 4 theta and cos square theta d theta. This is equal to 16 32 32 a square, and now we have to use the formula which I learned from the gamma beta function. Now we have to apply the formula 0 to pi by 2 sin to the power p theta cos to the power q theta d theta, which is equal to gamma p plus 1 by 2 gamma q plus 1 by 2 and 2 into gamma p plus q plus 2 by 2. Now if we put this value we get 4, p is equal to 4, 4 plus 1, that means 5 by 2, 2, that means 3 by 2 divided by 4 plus 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8, 8 by 4, that means gamma 4 into 2, which is equal to 32 a square. Now again we know that gamma n plus 1 is equal to n gamma n. So if we write gamma 5 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2 plus 1, that means 3 by 2 gamma 3 by 2. 3 by 2 against half gamma half. Similarly, 3 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2 is equal to half gamma half, and 2 into gamma 4 means 3 factorial, which implies that 3 factorial 1 is 6, 12. 12 means finally we get 32 a square 3 by 4 to the power pi half to the power pi divided by 12. তিনে 4 32 3 4 12 4 2 8 3 3 cancel. So finally we get 2 to cancel. Finally we get 5 a square square. So this is the required result of this Cartesian equations or of this problem. So dear student, I hope that you can understand this problem easily because you have the prior knowledge about the gamma beta function. If we know about gamma beta function, then the integration can be solved easily. Now the second problem is find the area, find the area of the region bounded by the curve a square y square is equal to a square x square minus x to the power 4. The solution is the given equation is a square y square is equal to a square x square minus x to the power 4, which is equal to y square is equal to a square minus x square into x square by a square. So y can be written as x by a root over a square minus x. Now put y is equal to 0, which goes to x is equal to a. Plus minus a. So the curve is, now if we draw the curve, we get the flowing picture. The picture is something like this, which is x-axis 0 and y. We can see that the curve has made two loops, which is symmetric about the x-axis. So if we first find the area of this region, this is x is equal to a, this is x is equal to 0. So if we find the area 0 to a above the x-axis, then multiply by the area by 4, then we can get the whole area of this curve. So the required area is goes to goes to 4 into 0 to a y dx. Now what is y? Y is equal to 0 to a x by a root over a square minus x square. This is a. Dx. Now we have to solve this problem by using the method of substitution. Now we put put x is equal to a sin theta, which is equal to dx is equal to a cos theta d theta. Now we have to change the limit when x equal to 0, theta also 0. When x is equal to a, theta goes to pi by 2. So the integration goes this form 0 to pi by 2, here x is equal to a sin theta, put this value, x is equal to a sin theta divided by a. Now if we put x is equal to a sin theta, we get a square minus a square sin theta. If we common a square, then we get 1 minus sin square theta, which is equal to cos theta. That means a cos theta. And similarly we get dx is equal to a cos theta, which is d theta. Now we get a কয়টা আছে a 3a. If we can cancel out the 1a, we get 4a square 0 to pi by 2 sin theta and cos square theta d theta. Sin theta cos square theta d theta. Now applying this gamma beta function, we get sin to the power 1, that means p is equal to 1. So p plus 1 plus 1 by 2, that means gamma 1. And 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, so the gamma 3 by 2. This is 2 into gamma p plus q plus 2 by 2, that means 1 plus 2 plus 2, that means 5 by 2, which is equal to 2a square, gamma 1 means 1, gamma 3 by 2 remain this form, and gamma 5 by 2 can be written as 3 by 2 gamma 3 by 2. Now cancel out gamma 3 by 2, we get 4a square by 3 square unit. Square unit. So dear student, today I can discussed about the area of definite integral related to Cartesian equations, and we discussed related two problems. I hope you are understand this problem. So next class we discussed about another formulas and another problems. Till then, Allah Hafiz.